Happy National Bike Day. Awesome. Hi, we're here at Quezon City Hall. And nagbike ako from Las Piñas. Gamit ang aking Maru bicycle, Katana.
Naiintindihan kung ano ang karamihan ng nararamdaman
Of love by telling the story of our son.
We have Miss Maida.
Yan, bike statement. Kamusta?
From Maru Bicycle.
Alright. Shoutout kay Boss Nico. Boss Marvin ng Sakit. Hey. Yan si Pucha, oh. Kamusta, Brad?
Ayos lang, hello.
Hello po. Ninong Natalino po. Kasama ko si Kuya. Guys, pauwi na tayo from Quezon City to Las Piñas. Once again, Happy National Bicycle Day. Awesome.
Likat ka na sumama